We are going to listen to this vine sing right now. Let's hear it play some music.
I really enjoy listening to philodendron and snake plants. Any plant that inspires me along the way on a hike with a beautiful view.
Let's tune into the sounds played by this plant.
We just attach 2 sensors to a plant's leaves, and PlantWave detects these slight variations that are happening in plants based on the moving water around. We graph those variations as a wave, translate them into pitch, and then run those pitch messages through instruments that we design. So the result is this continuous stream of pleasing music that gives us all this sonic window into the secret life of plants. Many of you have been asking, what would a redwood tree sound like? Let's see what melodies it creates when we connect the plant wave. If a plant is really underwatered, it might play just a few notes, whereas if a plant is really healthy and thriving, it will be going through like the whole range. Let's see what happens when I water the plant. Let's listen. Every plant is different and every leaf is different. So here we are listening to this rubber tree. And now let's check out this pothos. PlantWave actually works with mushrooms as well, so let's check it out. Most of the time with mushrooms, though, the mushrooms are growing out of a dead plant, and so you're actually hearing the connection between 2 mushrooms through a dead plant. The development of PlantWave started back in 2011 when I started a record label called Data Garden, and it was a zero waste record label. And my friends and I got together and started to think about how we could express this connection to nature with music, and we became really interested in biofeedback music. I have an awesome engineer friend who built the hardware that ended up becoming PlantWave, and I designed a generative music algorithm that takes all of this data from the plants and actually makes it into this beautiful, listenable, harmonious music. We had 4 different plants, and each plant was playing a different instrument. Thousands of people came through this space and were able to just chill out listening to plants. And I was really amazed by people's response. It's acting as a bridge for people from their phones back into nature, and helping people have a deeper relationship with their plants.